Welcome to your PractiCORE account settings, your complete control center for configuring every aspect of your practice management platform. Begin by signing into your portal and clicking your profile icon on the dashboard. Then select Company Settings. The Users tab is where you manage your entire team's access. View a breakdown of your users by role: administrators, managers, and standard users. Click the Edit icon next to any team member to open their employee profile, where you can control which modules they can access, configure their time tracking permissions, manage non-billable task settings, and define their financial data visibility. To add a new team member, click Add User and select the appropriate type: employee, consultant, freelancer, or accountant, each with its own tailored access level and permissions. The Company tab is where you establish your core business identity within PractiCORE. Enter your official company name, email address, postal address, and phone number, all of which flow through to your documents and client communications. The Branding section allows you to upload your company logo and select a custom theme color that carries throughout your portal for a consistent, professional look. You can also design a fully bespoke document letterhead. The Header and Footer Designer gives you complete creative control over how your fee proposals and invoices appear when they reach your clients. Scroll down to configure your enabled modules, toggling features on or off to match your workflow precisely. The Manage Locations section lets you register multiple office sites if your practice operates from more than one location, and the Company Onboarding Wizard can be relaunched at any time to revisit your initial configuration. The Projects tab is home to all your project configuration settings, beginning with Service Types. These define the types of architectural services your practice offers, such as full architectural, planning only, interior design, consultation, heritage, or feasibility study. Each service type is fully customizable, with its own dedicated set of work stages. Click the Edit icon on any service type to expand its details. Clicking Edit Stages opens a full breakdown of every stage within that service, from initial brief and concept design through to project completion. Here, you can customize stage names, configure fee allocations and payment triggers per stage, and enable stage-level task automation. The Custom Stages tab allows you to define entirely bespoke work stages unique to your practice, giving you complete flexibility over how projects are structured and tracked within PractiCORE. Project types allow you to categorize your projects, for example, commercial, home extension, loft conversion, or HMO conversion. Toggle the feature on to make it available across your portal, and manage your list as your practice evolves. Building types work in the same way, letting you classify projects by structure, from detached houses and luxury homes to commercial buildings, flats, and apartments, each assignable with a distinct color for easy visual identification throughout PractiCORE. Project statuses define the high-level stages a project moves through during its life cycle: in planning, in process, on hold, complete, ready to start, and awaiting payment. Each status can be configured to appear as a dedicated filter tab on your project management table, giving your team instant visibility over exactly the projects they need. Click the Edit icon on any status to customize its behavior and tab visibility. Stage statuses operate one level deeper, defining the states that individual project stages can move through. Ready to start, in progress, awaiting payment, revisions required, and completed. Each stage status can be configured to automatically trigger a scheduled work task. When a stage moves to a new status, PractiCORE can instantly assign a task to the relevant team member, set its priority level, define its estimated duration, and add it to the work schedule, so your team always knows exactly what needs to happen next, without any manual input required. The Automation section within projects is where intelligent workflow rules are built to run automatically as your projects progress. Click New Automation to create a rule from scratch. Give it a name and description, choose which service types it applies to, then define its trigger, the condition that fires the rule. You can configure it to change a stage status automatically, send an in-platform notification to the assigned team member, copy in additional users, and dispatch a pre-built email template, such as an invoice sent confirmation, all without any manual effort. Existing automations are listed clearly so you can review, edit, or disable any rule at any time. This is how PractiCORE eliminates repetitive admin and transforms your practice into an intelligent, self-managing workflow. The Columns section gives you precise control over exactly how information is displayed on your project management table. For every column, from project reference and client name through to current stage and service type, you can independently toggle its visibility on or off and set it as either public or private to control which team members can see it. You can also rename any column to match your own terminology. For example, renaming service type to architect service type, or area to project area. These changes are instantly reflected across your entire project view, ensuring your team always sees information presented in a way that makes sense to them. The Settings tab at the end of the Projects section allows you to configure your project reference format using dynamic placeholders to auto-generate unique project numbers, and set your starting project number to maintain continuity with your existing filing system. The CRM tab gives you full control over your client pipeline and inquiry management settings. CRM statuses define the stages an inquiry moves through, from awaiting action and fee proposal sent, through to follow-up email sent and appointed. Edit any status to customize its color, making your pipeline immediately clear at a glance on your CRM board. You can also add brand new statuses to reflect your exact sales process. Client database settings let you define custom contact statuses, such as callback required, so you can tag and segment your client records in a way that mirrors your workflow. Simply enter the name and click Add Contact Status to make it instantly available. Lead sources allow you to track exactly where your inquiries originate: your website, social media, referrals, or direct email. This data feeds directly into your CRM analytics, giving you clear, actionable insight into which channels are generating the most new business for your practice.